ERi-TV, you're watching, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Following are the major headlines for today. Remembrance of atrocities by the Ethiopian colonial army in Gashbarka region. Awards to outstanding students in Massawa. Iran unveils its newest hypersonic missile. And Brazil has recorded its hottest ever temperature. On your local reports, remembrance of the atrocities carried out by the Ethiopian colonial army on the innocent residents of Uhud, Gashbarka region in 1967 was conducted. The remembrance event, conducted on 15 November, was attended by Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Hurui, Governor of Gashbarka region, PFDJ Secretary in the region, Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Jabra, Army commanders, and a number of Uhud residents, indicating that the atrocity committed by the colonial army was part of the brutal measures that were carried out on the Eritrean people in many parts of the country. Mr. Muela Mohammed Ali, administrator of Sel'a subzone, said that on that day, 99 residents of Uhud were brutally murdered. Mr. Idris Saleh, Director General of Culture and Sports in the region, on his part said that according to the research conducted, the Ethiopian colonial army had committed similar atrocities in 63 villages and towns in Gashbarka region alone. Noting that the atrocities committed by the Ethiopian colonial army attests to the policy of the Ethiopian colonizers that says, quote-unquote, "We need the Eritrean land and not the people," Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Hurui called to uphold the independence that has been gained through heavy human and material sacrifices by the Eritrean people and to strengthen participation in the national development programs. At the event, a testimony of the atrocity carried out on that day was presented by the survivors of the massacre. Awards are handed out to 126 outstanding students who scored high results in the 2022-2023 National High School Living Certificate Examination, as well as National 8th Grade Examination in Massawa subzone. At the handing out ceremony conducted on 19 November, the head of education in Massawa subzone, Mr. Ismail Saleh, stated that out of the 126 awardees, 102 students were those who scored 75% and above in the 2022-2023 8th grade examination, and the remaining 24 students are outstanding students who scored from 3 to 4 points in high school living examination. The encouragement program has been organized since the previous 2 academic years, resulting in the increased number of students who score remarkable marks, particularly that of female students, Mr. Ismail stated. In related news, certificates of recognition was handed out to 6 junior and secondary schools whose students scored high marks in the national examinations. On your last local report, training on first aid was provided to 46 youth in Sel'a subzone, Gashbarka region. Mr. Mohammed Ali, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, said that the training program attests to the attention the union branch is giving to youth in the remote areas of the subzone, and called on the trainees to make use of the training they were provided in improving their livelihoods. Mr. Wela Mohammed Ali, administrator of the subzone, on his part, called on the trainees to practically develop their skills and others to take advantage of the training program that are being organized. In related news, financial support has been extended to disadvantaged citizens in Sel'a subzone. According to the report, 55,900 nafa contributed by government employees and administrations was distributed to 31 disadvantaged families. Dear viewers, that was all with your local news. Coming up will be international news and more. Do stay tuned. reported on Sunday that Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps unveiled the nation's cutting-edge hypersonic missile at a ceremony in Tehran. The missile was presented at the Ashura Aerospace Science and Technology University during an exhibition showcasing the Islamic Republic's advancements in aerospace tech, and comes months after Tehran unveiled its first hypersonic missile in June. According to further reports, the Fatah 2 missile is equipped with a hypersonic glider warhead that places it in the hypersonic glide vehicle or HGV class of hypersonic weapons. Iranian media reported that the Islamic Republic had become only the fourth nation in the world to make use of such technology. On today's final report, Brazil has recorded its hottest ever temperature of 44.8 degrees Celsius as parts of the country endure a stifling heat wave. The record was hit on Sunday in the town of Araquai in Brazil's southeastern state of Minas Gerais. The unprecedented weather has been attributed to the El Niño phenomenon and climate change. Forecasters say some of the heat is likely to ease this week. According to the National Institute of Meteorology, only 3 state capitals will see temperature approaching 40 degrees Celsius. The government agency said Araquai's high of 44.8 degrees Celsius had beaten the country's previous record of 44.7, which was measured in 2005. Dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Remembrance of the atrocities by the Ethiopian colonial army in Gashbarka region. Awards to outstanding students in Massawa. Iran unveils its newest hypersonic missile. And Brazil has recorded its hottest ever temperature. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.